Hi, I'm Leon from Eri Dance School. Today I want to introduce you to my city called Okinawa in Japan. And behind you can see the sea, and that's the beach. And that's where my studio is located, around here. So right now, let's dive in, and our lesson today will be by the beach. This is the Okinawa beach. Let's start our lesson. Follow me right now. Go to the right. You can see behind me, beautiful water, very clear water, and today I'm going to show you how to use your ankles in dancing. When I'm overseas in England, when I'm taking lessons from world champion instructors, and what they always tell me is use your legs to dig into the floor, like into the sand, and your legs is like the roots of the tree. So if you can see, if I walk normally like this, my legs are not digging, I'm just flat. This is called flat-footed dancer. Okay? And then in dancing, say example, if I do a cha-cha lock forward, when I go over there, I'm using the foot. See my back foot. Push. I'm pushing. I'm digging onto the floor. I'm digging on the floor. Can you see that? So you can see how deep I'm going in. So even for a different example I want to go through would be in a Cucaracha. In the Cucaracha, I can just do a normal Cucaracha, which is flat. Can you see? It's flat. This is called flat-footed dancer or lazy ankle dancer. Okay? But if I use what my world champion teacher told me, use your ankles to dig into the sand. What does he mean? Take a look. I go Cucaracha, I dig in, I dig in, I dig in, I dig in. And when you can dig in, automatically you take a look at my body action. My body action is deeper. So that is the difference. See, I'm digging in. Yeah? So in reality, am I doing that in dancing? Yes. But in reality, the floor is harder. So as I dig in, the hip will come up. So my hip action will actually look much better. Okay? So I hope you managed to learn something about this action where we use our feet to digging and our feet as the root of a tree. Okay, now I want to introduce to you the beach in Okinawa. Take a look at the water quality. You can see through. Can you see? It is very clear. That's why in Okinawa, everybody we say is one of the best scuba diving spots in the world. So you can see it's so beautiful, and you can see my eyes squinching. I'm trying to open but I can't open because the sand is very white. If you see around, the sand is white in color. So the reflection makes me I can't open my eyes. Yeah? So I hope you enjoy this, and I want to show you more about Okinawa and also in dancing. Please let me know below whether you like this type of videos so that I can show you and introduce you some part of where I'm from, which is Okinawa, Japan. They say it's one of the paradise in the world. So I can teach you dancing and give you show you some tourist destination while dancing. Okay, let me know whether it's interesting. Bye, see you again.